8 superhero drinks to naturally fight cancer. Do you believe that everyday drinks can become secret weapons to help you fight cancer? Let's explore the extraordinary power of these 8 drinks that not only quench your thirst, but also serve as silent warriors protecting your health. 1. Lemon water, the secret weapon for skin. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps repair DNA in cells and prevents mutations that could lead to cancer. Lemons also improve digestion and beautify the skin. Starting your day with a warm cup of lemon water is a great way to enjoy its benefits. You can add lemon to your daily water or herbal teas, or even freeze it into ice cubes to enhance the flavor. 2. Cucumber and mint water, the savior for skin. Cucumbers contain cucurbitacins, which can disrupt the survival pathways of cancer cells. Mint contains parallel alcohol, which has been studied for its potential to prevent and treat several types of cancer, including colorectal, skin, and lung cancer. Drinking cucumber and mint water throughout the day is an excellent way to stay hydrated and detoxify your body. You can add it to green tea or herbal teas, or freeze it into ice cubes for extra flavor. 3. Apple and beet smoothie, the elixir for heart health. Apples contain quercetin, a flavonoid that can induce cancer cell death, apoptosis, particularly in prostate and breast cancers. Beets are high in betalains, which have strong anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. The combination of apple and beet creates a super elixir for cardiovascular health. Drinking apple and beet smoothies a few times a week can improve heart health and boost energy. You can also turn this into cold soup or popsicles for added appeal. 4. Kale and blueberry juice, the energy source for the body. Kale contains glucosinolates, which transform into isothiocyanates when crushed and have cancer-fighting effects, especially against colorectal and breast cancers. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help protect cells from damage. Drinking kale and blueberry juice a few times a week is a great way to improve heart health and strengthen the immune system. You can also turn it into refreshing ice cubes or add it to smoothies for extra flavor. 5. Ginger tea, the nemesis of cancer cells. Gingerol in ginger not only has anti-inflammatory properties, but also has the ability to kill cancer cells and prevent their growth, especially in ovarian and colorectal cancers. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea daily is a great way to maximize the benefits of this spice. You can add lemon, honey, or mix ginger tea with green tea to create a delicious and nutritious drink. 6. Carrot and ginger juice, the perfect pair for health. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A nutrient that fights cancer, particularly lung and stomach cancers. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The combination of carrot and ginger creates a golden drink for health. Drinking carrot and ginger juice a few times a week can improve digestion and strengthen the immune system. You can also turn it into popsicles or add it to smoothies for extra flavor. 7. Turmeric tea, the multifunctional warrior against cancer. Turmeric is not only a familiar spice, but also a powerful warrior in the fight against cancer. The secret lies in curcumin, a compound that can prevent and support cancer treatment by targeting multiple disease-causing processes at once. Curcumin also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping to reduce joint pain and enhance brain function. Enjoying a warm cup of turmeric tea every day is a great way to protect your health. You can add lemon, almond milk, cinnamon, and honey to enhance the flavor and benefits. 8. Green tea, the silent ninja against cancer. Green tea has long been regarded as a panacea for health. The secret lies in its high catechin content, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. This substance has the ability to hunt down and eliminate free radicals, the cause of cancer, in the body. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily is a great way to boost your health. You can transform green tea into many attractive drinks, such as cold green tea smoothies, delicious green tea lattes, or add it to salads and oatmeal for extra flavor. Conclusion: there is no single magic bullet drink that can cure cancer. However, incorporating these superhero drinks into your daily diet is an important step to protect your health and enhance your body's ability to fight cancer. Try experimenting and discovering recipes that suit your tastes.